Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Instagram hashtag for maximum exposure. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Instagram mobile application, and whenever you want to upload your post on the Instagram, don't focus on the caption or the comments. Your focus is just on your hashtag. If your hashtag are so strong, you will get surely followers and the great engagement on the post. So whenever you go to the search, and here you will search like cars, and you will see all the hashtag like 65 million. And moreover, you have to use the four type of the hashtag. Number one, very popular, and number two, moderative type of the hashtag, and number three, you have to search for the branded hashtag, and the number four, you have to search for the front hashtags. That will, these four type of the hashtag will make your post very strong, and you will get more and more followers on the Instagram. So study about the hashtags, and you will also get different type of the online platform that will give you best hashtag. Like you will search best hashtag for Instagram. So when you will search this type of query, besthashtag.com, and here you will see a different type of the hashtag for your Instagram post. You can simply copy these type of the hashtag and paste in your caption or in the first comment, so you will get more followers. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.